Hey, hello there, music fans. So yeah, it's been a while since I've done a stream, and I've had a bit of a break from coding. I basically got that all that AWS stuff pretty good. I haven't looked for a while, so hopefully that's true. But it was a pretty big achievement, and it was a bit of a slog, bit of a bang, not a whimper. No whimper, not a bang. Where you do a bunch of that kind of back of house work, and then the result is not much changes. Because especially if you're making a product, you've got to be marketing and stuff like that. But we just had a baby, and I have had quite bad hand pain, so it's been good to have a bit of a break from the doing so much computer stuff, basically. So today, my goal would be to make the video edit plan system that I have already developed. So like the AI makes a schema of like video edits, and that is used to make the video edits. Basically, make it be able to update that edit plan, and a lot of that groundwork has been laid, which is cool. But I'm also setting up my PC again because it's basically just easier to have it like in a fixed location on my desk, like it isn't at a fixed location on my desk, and I think that'll be better ergonomically. It's just one of those things that's just sort of been sitting there getting in the way instead of being useful. So, oh, hang on. Good start as always. All right, so it's kind of setting up a development environment. You've kind of got to make time for it by itself. Because it's always a bit tough, and I'm trying to like do more stuff via the command line just to get better at it. So I think I'm gonna go git clone, and then so this is gonna need Bitbucket. Pretty sure. So I've got like a services tool that I will do the scene switcher. So I'm pretty sure my front end repos are on Bitbucket. It's all over the shop, as these things tend to be. And so I kind of decided I don't want to use submodules because that's weird. See, I've given this the wrong name. Okay. Yeah, decided I want to use submodules because I don't have a problem with submodules. I know how to use them, so it's kind of fine. Okay, what has this open? Probably, well, File Explorer there for one thing. There we go. The Novus, like the services manager, is essentially an app as well. It just happens to be specifically pointing at a bunch of other apps. But it doesn't need to be the parent. That's just a, initial design decision I made because that's how I was understanding it. But that is how it's set up now. So for now, I'm just got them in as a git ignore, and I'll manual each one, manage each one, manage each one manually. So I've got the okay now I can, but now I'm pulling in the Nova client, which I'd accidentally named the server that, which is the advantage of things like, yeah, well, I guess that if I have this as a sibling app, the services thing, then there's probably a schema that I have the versions that I'm tracking on. Oh, geez, that's slow. Why is that so slow? I think the other thing is you can just spend so long like optimizing your workflow, and you just don't want to overdo it either, basically. It's odd that that is so slow. So really, like, if I can just get it to work, I'll be happy. I've I don't want to push my luck with my camera, but I've got a new keyboard set up. Oh, I guess I could try. Alright, he's pushing this luck. That'd be a fun like angle. Just the columnar layout and the split keyboard. Just a friend recommended it to me. I saw a few references online. These keyboards are quite expensive, but my friend had one randomly that he didn't like, so it's kind of my good fortune. So I'm trying to get the key strokes right. Okay. Client, easier, Python services. Okay, so RM Nova. Visual Cortex, needs to be called server, and I think Nova client. So if I go, I think cat. It'll tell me what, okay, so this needs to be called Visual Cortex server. And then okay, so technically, okay, I probably need to go like cd Nova client, and then go git status main, which I think is right for that. It should be production, that's fine. cd easier front end ls, wait, git status. Okay, makes sense, like I'm pulling. I just realized it's probably honestly cooler to have the keys like tracked. And what I was thinking would be cool is have like another camera that like when it detects keystrokes, it cuts to my hands and like it basically creates like an anime almost vibe. Just because I'm an idiot and I like doing stupid stuff, but that's fine. Okay, so if I go cd Nova git status, so production, okay, cd dot okay, cd Visual Cortex server git status. So I think git branch dash r. Surely I've got other. Oh. Git checkout production. Okay, cd dot dot. So technically, if I go, I don't even know if bash is going to work here, but let's find out. Services underscore starter dot sh backspace. Guess we'll see what happens. Okay, WSL. Still don't 100% understand what that is. Bash. Well, it's a Linux environment. Why I can't just, doesn't matter. fucking shit. Okay, so okay, so jeez. Alright, so now if I run the same script, which is called startup.sh. Okay, now if I go da 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 da. Okay. It's funny, I guess there's just like so much wrong with it. All right, I think I can have mercy on myself now and open it in Visual Studio. I'm trying to remember like what do I even do? Like, because it's like I've got the Docker pipeline, which is this, I guess. I don't really remember. Maybe I'll just make a Docker. Come on. See, it's a bit confusing because service starter goes in and runs startup, and then like if I look at startup here, right? Okay, so this makes sense, sort of, like of the kind of what I'd expect. Whereas here, there's just a bunch of shit. This all stuff that's so what have I got here? I got services starter. So I've also got so this handles either local or Docker. I'm gonna have to do the classic, like go to my terminal history. It's a bit funny. I just like don't remember how this works, I guess. Has it been that long? What year is it? And also my shortcut for terminal is, hang on, so it's this, I guess. Nope. Whatever. Okay, so it was Control C, bash services. Wait, no, where's the WSL? Is that this? Control C, there we go. Bash services data sh. And I think I just do -d, builds with Docker. I guess not. No node? Oh boy. That I'm pretty sure isn't right. I wonder if I can get the same with Docker. I don't do all that fucking menus and shit. Okay. -d. So I got no clue what's going on. So do I not have Docker? I do have Docker. But it looks... Okay. Good old Docker, actually. That's interesting. So I guess I just was behind. That explains why the old system, that was like pre-Docker fucking, wow. Which I had done on this one because, yeah, okay, cd dot. So I might just try the old Docker because it's just like all trusty. All right. I guess I just was behind. All right. Oh my God. So these are the .m files that are on this other computer. I guess I may as well bring over. Oh my God. Alright, I couldn't be fucked getting the files across. I think that's, oh fuck it, I'll just do the one file. Be nice to just see the interface and be like, alright. Alright, CBF. It's not a crime to, yeah, CBF. It's a bunch of the hard work's done. I don't feel like doing with keys and stuff now. Just wanted to break the ice on all this, so I'll call it a win because every day is